Hi guys, welcome to my channel, the Telangana Girl Hustle Bustle. As this is Diwali season and it is in festive mood all over, I have picked up few dresses from Max. So let me share you how the Diwali lookbook of mine goes. Let me start with the dress that I am wearing and I'll share you the look that I have created. So this is the dress that I bought in Biba. This is a kurti set. This has come with a beautiful dupatta like this. I paired this up with a green color bracelet and a finger ring that I have. I bought these from a store called Voila. To add up to this look, I have paired it up with a choker, pink pearls, just for a contrast. And this has a set of earrings too paired with it. So this is one of my quick lookbook for Diwali. Let me start with a few accessories that I got. So this is one of the anklet that I got from Max. This is in different colors that we have. And I also got a couple of them. This is another one. And this is the final one that I got. This is how it looks. The next item that I picked up is this neck set with earrings. So this is a boho type ethnic jewelry set. This comes with a cute choker type design like this with green and pink beads and earrings too. I think this exactly goes with the dress that I'm wearing now. This is the one that I bought. I think the price of this one is 729 rupees and the anklets are priced at 299 each. So this is how it looks, and this goes so well with all the Indian wear that you have. Next, I also have picked up a couple of bags from Max. So this is the first bag that I picked. This is in cute pink color, and this comes with huge storage space like this. So it looks like this. It has one outer and the other one in this side with just button models like this, and this also comes with a strap like this to hold it bigger. So this is how the bag looks like. I think the price of this one is 1699 rupees. The next bag that I got in Max is this cute beige color bag. So this is how the bag looks like. This also is in very huge size. It also comes with strap like this for the attachments. This has two zips. One is a smaller one and the other one is a bigger one. This is how it looks. It also has a side compartment like this. There you can place your footwear or shoes anywhere you go. So this basically can be used for your quick travel or your gym bag. This is how the bag looks. The price of this one is also 1699 rupees. The material of this bag is super soft and it is too cool to carry. Now let me start with the festive dresses that I have picked up. The first one is this blue color ethnic kurti. So this is how the dress looks like. The price of this one is 1299 rupees. This has ikat print all over in the top, and it has hands like this, and from the back also this looks super cute. This is how the dress looks like. I have purchased all these dresses in the offline Max store in Sharat City Capital Mall, Hyderabad. So if there is any available in online, I'll try and share the links of Max website too. The second dress that I picked up is this cute purple color kurti. This is in very bright purple color. I think this is priced at 1399 rupees. It has hands with puffed sleeves like this, and this is how the kurti looks like. This is one of the most prized product in Max. So this is how the kurti looks like. It has a shrug type model. The next dress that I picked up is this frock model printed dress. So this is how the dress looks like. It has full hands like this. This is a very soft material and it is very easy to carry. This is how the dress looks like. The price of this is 1199 rupees. This kurti that I picked up is this nice green color with gold detailing work like this. So it is a nice green color dress with gold detailing all over, and it has thread embroidery in the front part of the dress. It has 3/4 and almost full hands too like this. This is how the kurti looks like. The price of this kurti is 1499 rupees, and it goes well with ethnic wear, and you can pair it up with any beige color or yellow color dupattas that you have. Next I picked up this semi orange pink color kurti. So this has very beautiful color and it has ikat print too. It looks very subtle. Hands have come like puffed sleeves with detailing like this. This is how the dress looks. It has design at the side of this. The price of this dress is 1399 rupees, and this is how it looks. It has wooden buttons like this in the front and thread embroidery here. The next dress I picked up is this dusky orange shade dress. This is similar to the green one that I have picked. So this is how the dress looks like. It has thread embroidery with gold detailing like this and full hand sleeves like this. The price of this dress is also 1399 rupees. This is how the dress looks like. These are very beautiful for the ethnic collection to add up to your wardrobe. The next dress that I picked up is this light purple color dress. So this is one of the favorites in my collection now. So this is how the dress looks like. It has gold embroidery all over in the hands and the neck part, and it has come with side detailing like this. The price of this dress is 1499 rupees. This is how the dress looks. This is so beautiful if you could pair it with your beige color dupattas that you have. The next Indo-Western kurti that I have picked up is this cute blue color dress. So it has come with thread work all over, and this is also one of the most buyed product from Max. It comes with silver sequencing work all over the frock, and this is a sleeveless one. You don't get hands with this. You can pair it up with any oversized shirt or shrugs that you have. This is how it looks. The price of this is 1899 rupees. Next frock model dress that I bought is from Max 2 in this cute pink and white floral combination like this. This is how the dress looks. This has come with woolen material like this, and it is best for your winters. This has beautiful hand detailing like this. It has elastic at your stomach waistline. So this is how beautiful this frock is. The price of this is 1399. It is how it looks. Last product that I picked up from Max is this black jumpsuit. So this is in beautiful black color with gold thread work like this. This is how it looks. It has beautiful gold work like this, and the perfect midnight black. So these could be best wears for your dinners. This is how it looks. The price of this one is 1399, and this is one of the limited editions in Max. I personally love this dress so much. It has come with side cut waist like this, and this has ribbons at your waistline, and a zip at the back. The quality of this dress is too good. This is how it looks. Let me show you these dresses from near. This is the first blue dress that I got. This is the floral printed long frock that I got. This is the peach pink dress that I got. This is the lavender shade kurti. This is the brick red orange kurti. This is the green color umbrella cut kurti. This is the pretty purple kurta set. This is the floral printed long frock. This is the sky blue Indo-Western frock. This is the black and gold sequin jumpsuit. That's it from my today's video, guys. If you like this Diwali collection at Max, please do like, comment, share and subscribe to the Telangana Girl Azul Puzzle. Happy Diwali, stay safe, stay positive. This is the Diwali look that I have created. Thanks for watching, guys.